Hi guys, so this unboxing is of B2B's first album complete, and yeah, this is gonna be such a long unboxing because this album is huge and there are a lot of things inside it. Yeah, but I'm so excited. So I got this from like a seller and we kind of traded. Like, I gave her 2 boxes of Lomo cards and then she gave me this album. So basically I got this for the price of 2 boxes of Lomo cards, which is like $5. So that's really good and I'm so happy that I managed to get such a good deal. To be honest, I'm finding it hard to like do this because like it's so big, I don't know where to start. Okay. It's a slipcase and there's this lovely picture of them. Oh yeah, by the way, this is unsealed. Yeah, it's a bit dirty, I don't know. Okay, hold on. Oops, everything's dropping. The track list is here. I haven't listened to everything yet. I think I only listened to It's Okay and and Pugopa, I Miss You. Yeah. There are some scratches on the album, like here and here and here, but I guess it's okay. It is pre-loved, kind of, a little bit. I don't think she actually used much. Okay, so basically you can see that it comes with so many things and I don't know where to start, but okay. So I got everything out. This is like the individual member photo book, which I think I'm gonna do last. This is the group one, and then this is the one with the CD, so I'm gonna do this first. Okay. It's like a open up thingy. Minho, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm gonna have such a hard time putting this back later. Oh my god. Oh my. And then Sangjae and Ihun. I hope I'm not spoiling this. Okay, wait a minute. Let me keep it before I spoil it. Okay, and then the last page is Ihun, and then the CD. Oh my god, the CD is so pretty. Hold on, let me show you. Okay. It's so pretty. It's like a forest, and then of course it says B2B complete. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Okay. And then on the other side, there are pictures too. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, and did I miss out any? Okay, so it just... Oh my god, I was so stupid. Why did I open it the other way? Nice, this picture is so pretty. Oh wait, this is the last page. Okay. Oh wait, let me try opening it up to see if I missed anything. Okay, I don't think I did. Yeah, that was the first thing. The second one is this really thick photo book. Oh Oh my god, this is so tiring. Oh, oops. But yeah, okay. All the names are here. Is it gonna focus? Please focus. If I zoom out, would it focus? No, it doesn't want to focus. Okay, I'm sorry, it doesn't want to focus, but basically it was just like their names, their members' names, and it's the B2B first album complete. Yes. Should I zoom in? The names here at the bottom again. And Guang. Oh my god, the paper is so nice. It's like a nice material. Minhyuk. Oh my god, Minhyuk. Minhyuk looks so good like half the time. It's so hot right now. Like I didn't want it on the fan because you'll be able to hear it in the camera. But I'm sweating. Changsup. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, Yoon, what the hell? What the hell is he doing? I don't know why there's this red thing here, it annoys me. Oh my god, Sangjin looks so good. Sangjin looks so good. Oh my god, I love the fact that the pictures are so big. Like, if you know me, or if you watch my other unboxings, I feel like I mentioned this before, but I hate it when the photo book is like the page is this big and then the picture is this big. I hate it. I just hate it so much. Like, I hate it, okay? Because like, firstly, if you are gonna put a picture that big, then the photo book might as well be that big. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah. I'm so scared that someone will come in and interrupt me while I'm doing this because this video is so long. It's gonna be so long. So many pictures, oh my god. So pretty. Sanjay looks amazing. The names again. So happy that after so many years of debut, they finally have a full album. Okay. Yeah. Okay, don't know why Ilhun is always in the thingy. Who's in the thing? Changsup's in the crack. Minhyuk. Minhyuk's my bias, if you don't know. I did start watching B2B, The Beat. I think that's what it's called. I watched it. I've watched quite a few episodes. Yeah, and then school started and I was too busy to watch it anymore. But yeah, it was so funny and it was like entertaining. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Oh my god. This album is really beautiful and I'm so glad I bought it. I actually almost like considered not buying it. Yeah, oh my god, I actually only considered buying Min Hyuk's photo book because I was like short of money. Like I already spent so much money on albums recently. But then the person agreed to trade, so I was like, yes, yes. Hyunsik looks so lonely. Oh, that's the last page. Yeah, and a picture of them on the streets again. And then here's like all the credits and stuff. That's it for this photo book. Wow, it had a lot of pages. Oh my gosh. Okay. Now on to the individual members. Yeah, so basically it comes in this like thing that holds it all together, but it's individual books. So I'm gonna start with Sungjae's because it's on top. He looks good. I love his blonde hair. I love the fact that B2B are getting more and more recognition after Sungjae acted in School 2015. Yeah. I'm trying to do this fast because I don't want this video to be like an hour long. A letter. Next is Pineal. I feel like my camera's out of focus. Is it out of focus? Like some information about the song on every book. So I guess there's an order after all, but I'm too lazy to arrange it in order. His letter. Oh my god, it's written in English. Okay, good. I'm gonna read it later. There's Pinions. I hope I'm not going too fast, but there's really too much. Ihun. I feel like I'm gonna take forever to finish this. Oh man, I just shook my camera. I love his shoes and his leg. And that black band around his leg. Hyunsik. This is my first time looking at it in real life too. I mean, I watched an unboxing of it. I can't remember if I finished watching it. It was like 20 minutes long. But yeah, this is the first time I'm seeing it in real life. I did look at it a bit after I received it, but only the Minhyuk photo book. I didn't look at the others. And I didn't look at the group one either. Pogopa! Oh my god, a very nice song. That's cute. Minhyuk, Minhyuk, Minhyuk. Yes, yes, yes. Oh my god. I miss his blonde hair. I mean, this has good too. He's handsome no matter what hair he has. But his blonde hair was legendary. It's so weird. Like I started like knowing about B2B because of Sangjae, but I started getting into them because of Minhyuk. His legs, his hands. Oh my god. Wow. Cute, cute. Changsup. Changse is so funny. Like, I always laughed the most because of him. He's so underrated as a singer and as an idol. Like, you know those idols that everybody says are really funny, like Jackson. Like, yeah, he's funny, but Changse is like funny too, but nobody knows, nobody appreciates it. So sad. Cute. Last one. Oh my god, that was eventful. And Kwang. This album is truly amazing at the amount of things you get with it. Like individual member photo books, heck yes. Cute. Cute. Okay, and then the like cover that comes with the thing. What does that say? Oh, complete. And then it's I think it's a group one. Oh, so they have a few songs here and then a few in the member photo book. Okay, I'm gonna rearrange it later. It looks like the same picture. Summer Romance sounds interesting. I'm gonna listen to other music later. I haven't listened to it yet. 친구의 여자친구? Friend's girlfriend? Interesting. By the way, I can read a little bit of Hangul. That's why I know what it says. But I can read Hangul, but I don't know how to speak it. Like, I don't know all the grammar and whatever. Okay. Let me put it all back in here. Okay, that was it. That was so long. It's almost half an hour, but yeah, thanks for watching, guys. And I really recommend this album if you want good music or if you like Btob or whatever. It has so many things. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy. Bye.